Now, on This Week in Agribusiness, it's Max's Tractor Shed, where we spotlight another great American farm tractor. Some 65 years ago, an energetic young man in Nebraska was moving a lot of snow. He was shoveling it by hand. He decided there had to be a better way, so he handmade his own tractor. You're going to see it at a Max's Tractor Shed, brought to you by Ag Spray Equipment, a leader in liquid application equipment and parts, and the home of the DT Series trailer. From turnkey solutions to field-proven performance, they help maximize your spraying operation. Learn more at agspray.com. Well, Lawrence Gall, who is 93 years old at Blue Hill, Nebraska, has put a lot into those 93 years. And back in the day, as a young man, he would go around and shovel the sidewalks and help out elderly people in the town of Blue Hill, Nebraska. Finally, he decided, I need to build my own tractor to do the job. Take a look at it. You don't see much paint on it, but there is some paint on it. His handmade tractor was made from parts from a Model A car. He has a 22 horsepower Wisconsin engine on it. He has a steering gearbox from an IH combine, a hydraulic pump from a John Deere combine, and that back end weight. That weight there on the very back, you don't see any yellow paint on it, but it came from a cat crawler. Lawrence Gall's homemade tractor at Blue Hill, Nebraska. Special thanks to Carla Post at the Midwest Messenger publication for helping us out. I've put a link to her story on my Max Armstrong Tractor Facebook page. Check it out there. Here's Mark Stock.